Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the Beautyforever hair right here. Guys, this is my first time wearing a V-shaped wig and so far so good. I am loving it. So the hair came in this cute box right here with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. It also comes with an amazing goodies. It comes with a kit bag right there. It comes with an eyelashes. It comes with a scarf to tie your hair to keep it laid down, and it also comes with an hair clip. It comes with a wig cap. It comes with, you know, lots of goodies to maintain your hair, and also the hair itself is right there, like looking gorgeous. I loved it. So I'm just gonna quickly go straight to the point because I'm wearing the hair as I speak. Look at that. The front where you put the clip on your head, look at that on the camera, is just so flat, very flat, and very invisible. You can barely tell unless someone actually come into your head to see what you're wearing. They can barely tell if was your hair or if this was a wig. It looks so natural and I love it. This is the easiest, guys, the easiest install I have ever done on my channel, and I highly recommend that you guys check this wig out. It's so simple and the hair is so full. The quality of the hair is amazing, and look at that. The hair straight from the box is just like good to go. Did you see that, guys? Just 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, I am done and I am good to go. Very easy to install, very simple, and very secured. You don't have to worry about the hair falling. The hair is going nowhere. And actually I only used the clipping at the front of the hair. I thought, let me spice things up a bit and let's see how this hair would do with my whole natural hair. And I was surprised. I just leave out some hair just to switch the hair up a bit, because the hair is really versatile. Like, that is one of the most amazing quality of this hair. It is so versatile. You can wear it with your hair in, you can wear it with your hair out. It doesn't matter how you wear it. This hair is good to go. I really love it, and I definitely recommend that if you're getting this type of hair, make sure you get a quality one like this one, because you would be wearing it for a very long time, because the quality is just amazing. I love the way that it blends into my natural hair. A lot of people have been asking, wow, is this your hair or not? I'm like, no, it's not my hair, it's a wig. If someone don't put their hair into your head when you do the no leave out, then it's very impossible for someone to be able to tell if it's your natural hair or not. I decided to throw in some curls into the hair, and voila, look at that. Look at that, the curls are popping. The hair is 100% human hair, like top grade high quality human hair. So you have nothing to worry about at all in terms of quality. Beautyforever hair are really amazing with top-notch hair. And bear in mind, on their website they have all types of hair. They have lace front wig, they have 360 lace wig, but this is the hair in fashion right now. This is what's up. Look at that. The hair took to curls really well. Bear in mind, you can actually dye the hair, you can bleach it, you can do anything to this hair just like your own natural hair. You have nothing to worry about, and it's also secured. I like the construction of the cap because it has three combs at the front and one comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap as well, so be assured that your hair is going nowhere. I love that. No need for glue, no need for gel, no need for wig cap, none of that at all. You're just good to go. If you're doing a leave out, just take your wig, snap it on your head, and you are good to go. 1 minute. Look at that. Bow pow. Even if you're leaving your hair out, it's also easy. I am loving this. This is such an amazing invention. Stay tuned for my review. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today it's all about the Beautyforever hair right here. Guys, this is so lush, like seriously. I have seen a lot of U-pat wig, V-pat wig, all those pat wig, but this is different for some reason. I'm telling you why. Because you know, stick their nose on your head, you can never tell if this is someone's natural part or not. This for me is amazing. Like seriously, you can switch up your hair at any point in time without any stress whatsoever. I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and tell you guys all the things that I love about this gorgeous hair. So the first thing that I noticed straight from the box is the quality of the hair. Like out of the box, the quality was amazing. I'm thinking, hold on like seriously, quality of the hair is really good. I like it. That is very easy to install. Just clipping the hair on my, you know, natural hair, and I was good to go. This wig is actually perfect for someone like doesn't have a lot of hair. Like seriously, it's the switch up from 0 to 100 in my opinion, because it's so easy that you can just clip it on any hair, like any hair, no matter how short your hair is. This hair is gonna stay and it's going nowhere. I showed you guys when I installed it. No need for wig cap, there's no need for nothing. There's no need, you don't need anything at all to install the hair. All you need is your hands just to clip in the hair on your head and you are good to go. For me, that is a no-brainer, like no-brainer, where you can actually switch to, you know, side part, center part, this part, all types of parts you decide to go for. You can switch the hair anywhere you like. But for today look, I went for center part. Yeah, I went for center part with the hair, and I love how natural the hair looks on me. So soft, so smooth and silky to touch. No tangling, no shedding, nothing whatsoever. And as you can tell, the hair is real quality virgin human hair. You can tongue it, you can coil it, you can dye it, you can do anything you like with the hair, just like your own natural hair. And I also like the fact that the shipping was really quick. Hair actually took 3 days. 3 days to get to the UK. When it comes to buying hair abroad, I always think about shipping. So, and I know any one of you would also be worried about shipping as well. So in terms of shipping, you have nothing to worry about. Yeah, the hair was actually shipped to me in 3 days, and I really like that about the brand as well. The thing that I like about the hair is the fact that you don't have to worry about, you know, the wig snatching off your head. It's so secure, and this is just by using the clip on the front. There is also comb inside. I didn't use the comb. So if you want extra security, when I mean extra, that's extra security, you have comb at the front and at the back as well. But I don't think you would need them, because this is enough to secure the hair on your head. You don't have to worry about the cap size, because the wig also comes with an elastic strap. So if the wig is too big for you, you can adjust it with the elastic strap inside the cap. So in terms of construction of the cap, I am a huge fan as well. The wig is well constructed in a way that it would be secure no matter how you decide to, you know, install the hair. It's gonna be secure on your head. You have nothing to worry about in terms of, you know, the hair being secure on your head. And also another thing I like about the, you know, this brand is the fact that they have amazing sales, guys. Amazing deals on their website. If you don't know Beautyforever official anyway, they are a wig company that sells all types of hair on their website. They have straight hair, they have body wave, they have full lace wig, they have all types of hair on their website. So they don't only sell this type of wig, they sell all types. If you want HD lace wig, Beautyforever has one. Wig, lace closure wig, they have one. If you want lace front wig, they have all types of hairstyle on their website. So you have a lot of options to choose from if you go on their website. So far so good. I am loving this hair. I would definitely recommend it in terms of the quality. The quality of the hair is just amazing, and also the hair is also true to length. As you guys can tell from the video, it's really full, really full, and it has no nasty smell whatsoever since I have been styling the hair. I love it, and I love the fact that it's very versatile. So you can have it with your hair out, you can have it with your hair in, you can have it anyhow you like, and you can style it and pat it anyhow you like. So for me, this is definitely a must have in your hair collection. If you're the type that you know, you just want to have one good quality hair in your collection, definitely go for this, because it's really full, it's very versatile, and it's, you know, the quality of the hair is amazing. You can have it straight, you can wear it straight if you like. All you need to do is just straighten the hair, you're good to go. You can wear it curly. And also the most important thing that about this hair that I really love is the fact that straight from the box you can just wear this hair and off you go. No stress at all, zero stress, no leave outs. If you're going for a no leave out style, it's zero stress, just bring the hair out of the box and clip it on your head and you are good to go. That for me is the no-brainer. This is a kind of 2 minutes, it's just 1 minute. Bring it out of the box and just clip it on your head and you are good to go. How easy is that? Extremely easy and super versatile hair. Like, it's a must-have in your collection, and definitely from Beautyforever. Definitely recommend it for you guys to get one. If you're the type that is always in a rush, you don't have anything to worry about, clip it on, you're good to go. No need to tongue, no need to style, no need for nothing. Straight from the box, you are good to go. So in terms of quality, it's A+ for me. In terms of shipping, it's A+ for me. And in terms of versatility, it's A+ for me. And in terms of, you know, security, the hair being secured, is A+ for me. And in terms of the cap construction, it's A+ for me. So would I recommend this hair? Absolutely recommend it. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the brand in the description box below. Please check them out and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.